You guys, I've finally found the perfect way to unwind after a stressful day. This adult coloring book with puppy adventures has been a game changer. With 35 uniquely designed scenes, each page is packed with intricate details that keep me fully immersed and relaxed. The best part? No bleed through. I can use markers, colored pencils, or crayons without any worries. These puppy illustrations are just so delightful and perfect for any dog lover. It's been my go-to for stress relief, and honestly, it makes an amazing gift. Trust me, you need this in your life. Grab a copy and get coloring. Find yours on Amazon.com, author Deborah Frame.